Thank you, Bulawinaka. I'm Lani. I'm from Fiji. I'm 50 years old. I thank God Almighty for giving me this opportunity to be here this lovely hour. Thank Him for giving me good health. 2 years ago, I experienced pain on my left knee. The pain was increasing day by day. I went to Lautoka Aspen Hospital. I was diagnosed from there, and then Dr. Mark Ratumbuli, I thank him for giving me some medications to at least ease the pain and allow me to go and continue with my work. After 1 year and 2 years gone, after going through clinics, months and months of clinics, no improvement. And Dr. Mark recommended that I come to India for total knee replacement. Yes, with the help of my insurance, FDA welfare, with close work with the Medivisor India team, I take this time to thank them. They've done a lot, enabling me to be here in India, to be treated. And the treatment was 100% successful, I would say. Because previously, the pain that was with me every day, every night, especially in the morning, hard to go to work, hard to walk around. I find it very difficult to stand up for long. That's the type of pain I was going through. With the team Medivisor, their service started from Fiji. Medivisor team Fiji. Thank you, Ashlyn. And at the airport in New Delhi, just by seeing them, their smiling faces, their welcoming hands was already a medicine to me. I thank them for that. They are so caring. Pick me up from my hotel, take me to the hospital. At the hospital, I don't have to wait. I go straight to the doctor, and everything from simple arrangements to complex ones, they all do it for you. I'm very thankful to Medivisor team. What you have done to me, you and your team, you guys are awesome. Yes, I'm happy. I'm very happy to be what I am now, walking up straight. What you have done has changed 100% makeover. I feel changes in my body. Thank you, giving me another lease of life. My experience here in India, India to me is just like my home, Fiji. The people are so kind, so caring, they're helpful, assisting me and my family, my sister, and everything that we need from the hotel. Team Medivisor on our stay here arranged a Fiji Day celebration and a Diwali celebration. And not only me, other Pacific Island patients, we were there. Yes, we feel at home. We feel at home, the celebration. And we had the opportunity arranged by Medivisor to visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. And thank you, Team Medivisor. We're so happy for that. Since I'm going back tomorrow, traveling back home, I thank Team Medivisor, thank Max Healthcare, thank everyone who have contributed to the successful treatment. Everyone listening out there, if you are undergoing certain sickness that cannot be treated at your country, in your country, Medivisor India treatment team can assist you. Thank you.